It's a new year, and you know what that means. Let's make this the best year yet. So get your notebooks out and your pen so that we can go over the best goal setting that will help you in the year 2025. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to Girl Boss Energy, a community where I help women step into the best version of themselves, own their dreams, and create the life that they deserve. Before moving forward, let's reflect on the year 2024. What went well? What didn't go well? What lessons did you learn? And most importantly, what are you most proud of? Acknowledging your wins and your challenges creates the stepping stones to meaningful goal setting in the new year. Now let's dream big. Close your eyes and imagine it's December 31st, 2025. What does my dream year look like? What have I achieved? How do I feel? Visualize in such a great detail from health, relationships, career, and personal growth. This all sets a tone for great goal setting. Write it all down. Embody the life that you deserve. Dreams are beautiful, but without action, they're just wishes. This is where SMART goals come into place. Did you know that SMART stands for specific, achievable, measurable, relevant, and time-bound? For example, instead of saying, I want my business to grow, say this instead. I will increase my revenue by 25% by June 2025 by launching a new product. This is more clear and actionable and so much more powerful. And girl, I definitely understand that big dreams can become very overwhelming. So it's best to break it down into smaller, actionable steps that makes it so much more doable. Take your time. For instance, if your goal is to save $5,000 by the end of the year, pivot into the motion of saving $1,250 per quarter or about $100 per week. This is a bite-sized goal to help you stay consistent. And always remember, it's not about the destination. It's about who you're blossoming into along the process. Celebrate your wins, always. Life does happen along the way, but it's up to you to adjust your goals into what suits you best. And never forget, keep showing up for yourself every time. All right, girls, let's go ahead and take action and make 2025 your dream year. And if you found this video very helpful, hit the thumbs up button, share it with a friend, and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's dream big together. Leave a comment below with your biggest dream for this year. Let's make the life that we all deserve. Until next time, see you, girl.